Hi, my dear friends. Nice to meet all of you once again. In the previous session, we talked about the entry level understanding of what do you mean by leadership and why we need to pursue the competencies to become a leader. One question that everybody wanted to know is why I coined a new terminology called pragmatic leadership. So I would like to talk about it a little bit in this session. So the term pragmatic really means is by practical observation of this universe, whatever lessons that we learn and then adapt is what is actually the meaning of the word pragmatic. If you see the whole of creations, right from the minerals to plants and animals, except the human being, all the creations in the physical form, they are there, but they are not really evolving in terms of learning something from the environment and upgrading themselves into a different level of consciousness. So human beings are the only exceptions that the ability to observe and then create something new is the prerogative of only human beings. Otherwise, you will not see this whole world with so many gadgets which are trying to make our life comfortable. So, a pragmatic is a philosophy or a concept by which that the observer is able to understand certain new aspects and phenomena and adapt itself for his own well-being. So in the context of leadership, we are discussing that this is nothing but a set of habits and a set of characteristics of a human being by which we will be able to lead any kind of situations. So the concept of pragmatic leadership is coming from the hypothesis that human beings must be capable of observing certain aspects from the rest of the world, rest of the human beings, and develop certain capabilities. So that's the reason that this approach has been termed as pragmatic leadership. So going forward, we will try and discuss that what way one human being is different from the other human being, and what are the characteristics are essential for us to lead the rest of the work scenarios or a company or anything else. So this is the background, and look forward to deep dive into this subject as we go along and deepen your understanding of this concept of pragmatic leadership. Thank you very much for listening and wish you all the very best for a great career ahead. Take care. Good day.